But I'm gonna play Rain. Let's do that. Let's do a short one. Yes. Man, shut your ass up. Tell him. I plan on it. Also, allow me to pause so I can learn these fucking moves real quick if I get my ass beat. Jesus. There it is. Ah! Okay, on some real shit though, like Raiden would destroy me immediately because of my water powers. Like, this is just not a good look, right? You fuck my shit up. Okay. Ah, fuck. I wish I learned this shit. I don't want to hold y'all up. Oh, that's right. X, wait. Oh. Okay. Ah, you bitch. Catch it. Catch it. Blood bending. Oh yeah, nah, 3 was trash. RoboCop 3 was just, there was like barely any RoboCop in there. Like, the fuck was that? Only one was good, man. Like, they knew what the fuck it was. They knew it was, you know, the commentary was there. It was gory as fuck. I remember like there was a kids cartoon actually for Rambo and for RoboCop. It's like, why? Back toward, back down. Why? Okay, catch it. What are we about to do? Ugh. Ooh. Damn. Fuck. Oh, we just keep the eyes? Okay, that's shit. Oof. Red from that 70s show. Yeah. Bitches leave. He was the best. He was the best. Beat me to it.
I would much rather steal your empire. You fool.
God, man. Shao Kahn looks terrifying in this game. All right, bitch. How about that? Oh. K2 jump attack. Up. Oh. Bitch. Bitch. Yeah, there you go. There's your 2. Ew. Fuck. Catch all the water. Catch all the water, bitch. Ooh. Wave check. Oh, damn. Damn. That move does not look painful. That one looks like it can hurt. Oh, no, no. That's what I get. Fucking around. Fucking around. Bitches leave. Real talk is like that is one of the best parts, and oh boy getting shot to 50 bajillion times. That's like the marquee points. Oh no, it's too many points. Murphy dying, the car hitting that toxic waste nigga, and he just splattered all over the place. It's just too many. There's too many marquee moments. There's no hang your hat on moments for the other 2 movies. I don't even remember them. I remember the Rocket Pack from part 3 and him fighting a ninja or some shit, and then RoboCop not being the actual guy. That one. Oh, about to fuck you up. Ooh. Damn. Hey man, you bleeding on my pose, bro. Yo, that is violent. That is violent. God damn. Oh, dude, that mask is dope from Molina.
You weren't helping me, you were using me.
Yo, that catfishing is dope. Ooh, talking shit. Yo, she looks dope. That's a dope look. That's a dope ass look. Man. Catch these feet, bitch. Up, up. Ah. Oh, right in your ugly mug. One thing I'm surprised about, because I have no problem with them chilling out with the oversexed MK chicks, right? Because honestly, the only reason I'm not mad because we've seen plenty of titties. Like the cup runneth over, no pun intended. But I'm surprised they still went conservative with Molina, because Molina always threw her coochie out there only because her face was fucked. And it was just like, how horny are you, teen boys? And the answer is very, every time. Every goddamn. Every time. I always, the back of my head be like, I mean, I still would, I'd be in the back. Keep that helmet, put a motorcycle helmet on her. But you know what I mean? But like, I'm actually surprised they kept it conservative with her character, which is like, that's all cool. That's all good. Oh, I forgot I was gonna do the second fatality. I was about to, ooh, okay, enough, lady. Shit. Yep. Catch this work, but damn. Oh, okay. Oh, that's dope. Shout out to the homies, and damn. That is so goofy. Do a Queen reference, and that artwork everybody's seen every time, always. That is pretty hilarious. Ooh wee. That was a cool one though. That was just a nice, like, they're just having fun at this point. Hey, Golcano again. I'm glad you didn't pee on the floor, because rain would have been dripping in piss.
I require your unique expertise.
I'm listening.
So let me beat you up now? Like, why are we? Always funny. I like that movie. Okay, that kick is dope. Ooh, bitch, my chest. Oh, okay, all right. Bitch, get in the fucking. I'm trying to do a thing here and it's not happening. Why is it not happening? Dude, why can't I use it? Why can't I? You know what? Fuck you, game. Button broken? No, I just won't let me use the goddamn. That's whack. I was trying to throw his face in the thing, guys. That's why I'm. Oh, well, fatal blow time. Cool. Ah, no! Bitch. Flash kit. Oh, there's lightning involved. That's gangster. Bro, are you dead? You should be dead. Okay. I was like, if you're not dead. That is dope. I like that one. Hang on, let me that other one ready, y'all. But no, it's probably one of my favorite fatal blows. Oh shit, I forgot I got a friendship. Damn. I gotta do the friendship, y'all. Fuck. Gotta do the friendship. Have to do it. I can't do it against the boss. This is where we are. I fucked up. I did a pretty good showcase though. We got most of the good shit. Ah! No! Prison shanks. Actually, I didn't. Victor, I did not iron my backdrop. You douche. All right. Let's see. All right. Let's see what the friendship is. Fuck out of here. Of course, he goes for Molina. Oh, he gets a little kingfish. Oh, that's just adorable. The fucking friendship music is hilarious, though. Rain got that Ric Flair drip. Now that's dope. Oh boy. I need your expertise in getting your ass kicked by me. That's funny. Now this bitch again. I don't like that water projectile. Like, I'm definitely gonna change that once I go back to like playing this offline, because it just looks weak. He's just like yeah, we know what you're about to say, but you're gonna catch this water. Oh, fuck. Come on. Look at that. It looks weak. Oh, okay. God damn it. Bitch. Water to the face. Sorry. If I could fight in real life, I would be talking like this. Yeah, Randy is. Look, you ain't alone, brother. Wind and rain together. sorry. Catch that work. There you go. Oh, bitch, no, I'm grabbing. Oh, stop that shit. Ew. That's right. Weak sauce. I make my own raid. Oh shit. I just watched The Dark Knight, so it cracked me up a little bit thinking about Two-Face. Catch this up. That's funny how like learning the buttons, all of a sudden I'm like a god with this. Ooh. Concussion. Bitch! Bow! Alright. So you know what? Fuck it. Let's just see what happens. I don't care. This is funny. It's a funny final death. Like, for such a whack character, she gets destroyed. Look at this, man. She is trying to get to that crown to fix this shit. Whoop. And go. That's a dope death for a boss, though. That's like way better. That's like the best death animation. Here we go. What you got?
The hourglass taken. Denia's future mine to command. I had obtained.
I feel like Rain should have some form of like Prince hair, though. You know what I mean? There's so many haircuts to choose from.
Of my parentage.
Uh-oh.
I was a bastard, I knew. Born of an illicit affair between the Edenian god Argus and a mortal woman, Amara.
Okay, so
But what I didn't know, until the hourglass showed me, was that I and my mother were both victims.
wait.
She hadn't abandoned me. Thanks to my father's lies, she had thought me stillborn.
Oh.
I was stolen away and left to rot among peasants, while my mother died.
Oh, damn.
Argus hid his scandal and
Oh.
his shame by killing the one person who ever loved me.
Oof. That is
He will die. As will his sons, Taven and David.
Oh, snap.
His beloved wife Delia, she I will let live.
Yeah.
Let her heart break as my mother's.
I mean,
She weeps over her children's corpses.
that's petty. That's how you do it. That is I like that's one of my favorite endings. Real talk. That is that is petty. Coke Junction, man. God damn. Also, a shout out to the old game. Oh, bruh, that's dope.